In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank account on Wise. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click Recipients. This is where Wise stores the bank accounts and people you can send money to later, so it's the right place to add a new bank account. Next, click Add a Recipient. Wise will then take you to the page where you select the recipient's currency. Here, choose the currency of the bank account you want to add. This part matters because Wise uses the currency to determine which banking details are needed, and those details can vary depending on the country and account type. After that, on the Add a Recipient page, click Bank Details. You'll then be asked who the recipient is. If you're adding your own bank account, select Myself. If the bank account belongs to another person, choose someone else. And if you're adding a company or nonprofit account, select Business or Charity. Choosing the right option here helps ensure the account is set up properly and avoids problems later when sending money. Now, enter the account holder's name exactly as it appears on the bank account. Then enter the bank account number. After that, fill in any additional banking information that's required. Depending on the currency or country, this could include a routing number, BSB, sort code, IBAN, or SWIFT BC code. It's a good idea to double-check these details as you type, since even a small mistake can cause delays or failed transfers. Once everything is entered, take a moment to review the bank account information carefully. Make sure the name, account number, and all banking codes are correct. When you're satisfied, click Continue. Wise will then show you a confirmation screen with the recipient details. Review everything one more time. If it all looks correct, click Save. Saving the recipient now means you won't have to re-enter the same bank details the next time you want to make a transfer. Finally, return to the recipient section and verify that the bank account appears in your recipient list. If you can see it there, that means the account has been added successfully and is ready to use. Thanks for watching.